Namaste. Welcome to our Hindi to English sentences learning video. In this video, we'll cover some basic phrases and sentences to help you communicate effectively in English. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to refresh your skills, this video is for you. So, let's dive in. Let's start with greetings. Greetings are essential in any language as they set the tone for a conversation. When you meet someone, you can say, Namaste, which means hello in Hindi. Repeat after me, Namaste. And the English equivalent is, hello. Let's practice, hello. Great. Now, let's learn how to ask, how are you? In Hindi, it's, aap kaise hain? And in English, it's, how are you? Repeat, how are you? Fantastic. You've got the hang of it. Greetings are a wonderful way to start any conversation. Now, let's move on to introducing yourself. In Hindi, you can say, Mera naam, your name, hai. And in English, it's, my name is, your name. Let's practice, my name is, your name. Excellent. Now, let's learn how to ask someone else's name. In Hindi, you can say, Aapka naam kya hai? And in English, it's, what is your name? Repeat, what is your name? Well done. Introducing yourself is the first step in making new connections. Next, let's explore some common phrases you'll often use in conversations. To say, thank you, in Hindi, you can say, Dhanyavad. And in English, it's, thank you. Let's say it together, thank you. Perfect. Now, let's learn how to ask for help. In Hindi, you can say, Kripaya madad kijiye. And in English, it's, please help me. Repeat, please help me. Wonderful. These phrases will come in handy in various situations. Finally, let's practice some basic conversations using the phrases we've learned. Imagine you meet someone new, and you want to ask how they are. You can say, hello. How are you? Now, let's imagine they respond with, I'm fine, thank you. What about you? You can reply, I'm good, thank you. Great job. You've just had a basic conversation in English. And that's a wrap for our Hindi to English sentences learning video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. Remember, practice makes perfect,